You're welcome. Okay,
Hello,
your hand.
Hello, it's me still in.
Okay. Yeah.
Good morning.
Today, we are clocking out at 1500 hours. Yes, today is my last day of school. And I'm bringing you guys with me, of course. Right now, we're on... We're on a Teams call. Normally from 8 to 10, we are on Teams, and then from 11:30 to 2, we're on campus. But I'll do a proper intro later. I think I'm back to sleep.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning, doing my hair, making, getting my clothes on. Walking into school, thinking of what is going to happen next. Oh, whoa, things are just caught up in my mind. Just cannot get rid of them. I am worrying and worrying, I just cannot get rid of them.
Y'all chase bitches. I chase bags.
How you gonna do me like that? Saying that you want me, but your actions doesn't match. You 12, I'ma tell you might get killed. I'm on my mind, yeah, I'm hard by the real. You copy lie, boy, I got it on film.
I gotta stay high. No drugs, I can't do no nights. Cause it's sweet, like cocoa. But all you wanna do is a coke.
Shaka's graduating today. She went to the mall. So she went all the way, so she's gonna be at 15, 14, or something like that today.
15?
You'll be at 1500 plus.
Oh, I don't know how
So
that.
let me say it that way. Now you understand. Yeah, thank you. Shout out to you. Shout out to all y'all. I love all y'all.
So, we are getting So we are doing my chemical service bag. So I have to come in here, which is our supply room, and get pre-cream, color, and relaxer. So for the color, I think I'm gonna use gel. The relaxer, I'm gonna use cholesterol. I'm gonna use cholesterol. Stinks. And for pre-cream, I am going to use I don't know. Control it. Is this it? This is not gonna work for my hair. I really don't know what I'm gonna use for pre-cream because it has to be like clear or white. That's cleansing cream. Let me go ask my teacher and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, I just remembered we had this in the supply room and it says pre-cream, protective cream. It really stinks though, so I'm not really sure what this is, but I'm gonna ask her to see if it's okay for me to use it, and if it's okay for me to use it, then I'm just gonna use it. I should have got more than one fucking thing. So we got a relaxer color. I really need to ask her about this pre-cream. I feel like it'll be okay though. I really feel like it'll be okay though.
1 hour later.
Y'all know who you are. Sandra, how do you feel about me being my last name? Oh, bye. Oh, bye. Where are you? Hey. Yeah, these are my journals. Where are you? I'm gonna miss y'all. I know you are. So I'm gonna be seeing her a lot. I'm gonna come message you at work. You got my number and you still ain't texting me yet. Shame. You been saying that for 3 weeks. She don't be doing shit.
It's morning, everyone. Today's the day. The sun is shining, the tank is clean, and we are getting out of... The tank is clean.